Video. Pry open the storage box and take it out. Remove the display fixing screws. Pry open the left saddle decoration block. Remove the decorative block on the right side of the saddle. Remove the decorative block on the right side of the saddle. Remove the original car display fixed panel. Unplug the anti-slip switch plug and double flash switch plug. Remove step legs of the original car, audio search and air conditioning switch. Remove the 6 screws nut. Fix the display screen separately. Unplug all the connecting cables of the original car display screen. Remove the original car main unit fixing screws. Remove the 3 PTGs from the original car audio system. Remove the anti-skid switch and double flash switch. Remove the right air outlet decorative trim. Unplug the cigarette lighter plug. Remove the left air conditioning outlet decorative block. Unplug the 4-wheel drive module plug and the tow hook plug. Remove the 4-wheel drive switch. Remove the trailer hook switch. Install the anti-skid, double flash, and trailer hook switches to the corresponding positions on the large screen. Connect the Android host power cable. Insert the protocol plug. Insert the USB data cable. Plug in the air conditioner connecting wire. Insert button plug. Insert the radio antenna. Place 4 grams antenna. Connect 4 grams antenna. Connect GPS antenna. Plug in the Android host connection plug. Insert the anti-slip cord plug. Insert the double flash switch plug. Install the Android host to the corresponding location. Install the main unit fixing screws. Install 4WD switch. Install cigarette lighter. Plug in the air conditioning panel cable. Insert cigarette lighter plug. Insert button plug. Insert 4WD switch. Install the air conditioning panel to the corresponding location. Secure with the 4 screws provided with the host. Buckle the decorative block. Restore saddle decoration block. Restore the decorative block on the right side under the saddle. Restore the decorative block under the left saddle. Click on Settings. Click on Factory Settings. Enter password 3368. Click OK. Select 6606 Ford F15020152021 XP exit air, high.